to use Apple gift card for Discord Nitro. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use your Apple gift card for Discord Nitro. Basically how you will be able to buy your Discord Nitro using your Apple gift card. So the process is quite simple, so make sure to follow along till the very end of this video to know the entire process. So first of all, just open your Discord account, and after that just click on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen. And here on the top right section, you will see these two options like Nitro and your profile settings. So in order to buy Nitro in your Discord, you just have to click on Nitro from the top right. And here on this page, you will have these two options. Either you can go ahead and purchase Nitro basic option, which is around $2.99 per month, or you can buy Nitro advanced plan, which is almost $10. $9.99 for month. So just select the plan according to you. For example, you are getting a Nitro basic plan, so just click on get basic, and after that select whether you want an yearly plan or a monthly plan. Select accordingly and just simply tap on purchase. And after that, on this page you will have the payment method available with you. So you can either go ahead and select credit or debit card, or you can also make this purchase through your PayPal account. But since you want to redeem your Apple gift card, so all you have to do is just click on redeem code. And here on this page, you will have two options to redeem your Apple gift card to make purchase for Discord Nitro. So you can either go ahead and enter your Apple gift card code in the enter code section, or you can simply click on scan gift card and open your Google scanner in order to scan your Apple gift card code from the back of your Apple gift card. Just scan the Apple gift card here and just complete your transaction and just click on redeem. And this way you will be able to use your Apple gift card for Discord Nitro. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.